Welcome to the third installment of Uncharted Territory. On today's agenda is institutional onslaught, the emergence of big money in the Bitcoin arena. The SEC's green light sparks a frenzy on Wall Street, leading to the approval of 11 US Bitcoin ETFs, including juggernauts like Blackrock and Fidelity, in January 2024. Now, why is this a big deal? Since their debut, US Bitcoin ETFs have snapped up a jaw-dropping 513,000 Bitcoin. Now wrap your head around this. Bitcoin has been around for 15 years, yet in under 2 months, these ETFs have snagged 3% of the entire Bitcoin supply. But wait, there's more. In early April, the Blackrock ETF, the most successful in ETF history, has brought on board major financial institutions like Goldman Sachs, Citigroup and UBS as authorized participants. With a combined asset under management of $6.5 trillion, these firms are just beginning to offer Bitcoin ETFs to their clients. This has not gone unnoticed in the rest of the world. Bitcoin ETFs are still pending launch in the Asian markets, with regulatory bodies in Hong Kong, Singapore, South Korea, and the UAE pondering over the introduction of spot Bitcoin ETF sales. Now, here's the kicker. Only 657,000 Bitcoin will be mined in the next 4 years. With US Bitcoin ETFs already snapping up a 513,000 Bitcoin in less than 2 months, what will happen when more major US players and Asian countries enter the fray? Stay tuned for our next episode, Global Adoption: Why Billions Are Yet to Embrace Bitcoin, as we explore the untapped potential of cryptocurrency adoption on a global scale. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful Bitcoin educational content.